First Alert Action Day continues. All of the snows are diminishing. These temperatures are ridiculously cold. Record cold for this day in April, and we'll set another record for tomorrow morning. So heading out, snow's diminishing. Watch out for icy spots and stretches. Temperatures into the teens by 11 o'clock tonight. Today, the high was only 25 and the low was 15, which is a new record low, beating the old mark of 17 set in 1933. And that 25 was also a record for the coldest maximum temperature on this date. Right now, 30-10 of the barometer. Winds are out of the north-northeast. The wind chill is at 13. That's what the radar shows currently. You can see the heavier bands of snow are slipping south of the Denver area, but still some flurries farther to the north. As far as the amounts of snow we'll see from this for the rest of the night into tomorrow, it's an inch or so, mostly to the south and east of Denver, and a little bit up into the mountains. But look at these lows by morning. 0 at Winter Park, Idaho Springs, Red Feather Lakes. We'll see temperatures down below 0 around Aspen and Leadville by morning. Lows in the single digits and teens on the plains. Expect those numbers more in January than in mid-April. And tomorrow, the normal high is in the low 60s. Will be about 42 for a high temperature. Expect some 50s around La Junta and Lamar. And along the Front Range, we'll see those temperatures mostly just in the low to mid-40s. A lot of teens and 20s for temperatures in the mountains. Tonight's forecast is snow ending in record cold with 10 for a low temperature. Winds from the north at 10 to 15 miles per hour. And then tomorrow, very cold early, then partly cloudy and about 42 for a high. Winds will be southeasterly at 10 to 15. Okay, here is the pattern by Tuesday at 6 o'clock. Cold air covers all of the central United States. The warm air is squeezed out on the west coast. And here comes a new low pressure system dropping down into Idaho by early on Wednesday. That's going to spread more snow across the northern Rockies. And by late in the day on Wednesday, a mix of some rain and snow over Colorado and more moderate to heavy snow to the north of us across Wyoming. That drops in here by early Thursday morning with snow and cold and slick roads. And by late in the day, it'll be light snow and continued cold on Thursday. We may be looking at another 3 to 6 inches of snow out of this next storm arriving late Wednesday into Thursday. So your 7-day doesn't look very April-like. 42 for Tuesday, back to First Alert Action Days for Wednesday and for Thursday. Rain and snow developing Wednesday afternoon and continuing into Thursday. More cold weather. By Friday, skies start to clear out. By Saturday, back to 58. By Sunday, temperatures back up into the low 60s, and it'll be 65 by next Monday with a few afternoon showers or thunderstorms. No 70s in that 7-day forecast, I'm afraid, but April typically is a month that can be rather disagreeable in the weather, and that certainly is what we're seeing right now.